Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna share with you what I got in my January Ipsy bag. It's been sitting around for about 4 or 5 days and it's kind of eating at me to see what's in here. I did open the pack just so that it's not super loud on camera, but I have not peeked inside and it's driving me insane. If you want to see what I got in my January Ipsy bag, stick around because we're going to open it right now. For those of you that don't get Ipsy, it is $10 per month and you do a beauty profile and they ask you many questions. What are you interested in and what your preferences are? They kind of ask, you know, your skin tone, if it's dry, same for your hair, and it really is quite personal. As of right now, all I get is Ipsy, and who doesn't love pink bubble wrap? I'm sorry, but this is, my kids get so excited. They're like, Mom, your Ipsy bag's here. So my little girls typically will take the bag and kind of make it their own. So we'll pull the bag out. All right, so there is something extra coming out with the bag. It looks like it didn't fit in there, but how cute is this? Oh, this is super cute, super fun. I might actually have to hide this from my girls because it's jean. Didn't we all have jeans this color, you know? Those of us that are in our mid-30s, didn't we? Everybody had a pair of jeans. Overall jeans, I think. Everybody had a pair of these jeans when we were little kids. Let's get the little card out. They do give you a card just for a theme. It says, New Year, more products, more focus on you. January 2019, hashtag Ipsy Recharge. So this is super exciting. They don't tell you what you're going to get on the back, but just some extra little Ipsy things. All right, this first thing that didn't fit in the bag is, holy crud. The first thing in here is this, I'm going to butcher this name and I apologize. Elamascua? I don't know how you say this very long word, so I apologize. It's a coloring pencil, and it looks like it's in the shade Honor. I do like eye pencils. If this is like one of those eye crayons, I am obsessed with eye crayons. Coloring eye pencil. Nope, this looks like it's gonna be just the eyeliner. The end of it looks like it's like a plummy gray, maybe. All right, let's test it. Oh, it's very creamy. Yep, it's maybe a warm brown. Maybe it's just a warm brown. It almost looks like it's got a purple or a gray tint into it. That's really pretty. I love brown liners though. I am a fan of brown rather than black. For me, as I've gotten older, I find that the brown makes my eyelashes look more fuller than the black one. Does anybody else, do you think the same way? Did you notice? I don't know. Maybe I'm crazy. Oh, that kind of stinks. I thought it was going to be like an eye pencil, like the Mally eyeshadow sticks, and the color Honor is like a gold. That would have been nice to have an eye crayon. All right. Next in the bag is Fluid. It's a lip gloss called by, I'm assuming, the brand Fluid, and it's Elsewhere is the color. It's just a clear blue lip gloss. I'm very picky with my lip glosses. I don't like those lip glosses that stick and then like your lips are peeling apart. It's got the, like a Lip Smackers, just vanilla, sweet kind of smell to them. All right, let's try this. This is just a matte lip ink, so. I do like it. It's not sticky. It has good flavor. If you know, are a lip gloss taster. No, I like that. It gives a really, like a healthy shine. It's not over glossy. Some glosses are, it's too much. There's no glitter in it at all. It's a very nice, hydrated looking lip gloss, and I enjoy those. And a brush. I love getting brushes. This is a Luxie brush. Sorry for the plastic sound. This is a Luxie brush 1010 small contour. It's got a really nice divot in. the center of it. I love Luxie brushes. I've gotten a few of them from Ipsy, and I've ordered some. Just, they're so nice. This is really soft. I'm excited to use this. I don't contour my cheeks too much anymore. The way I do, if you haven't watched any of my Get Ready With Me's, I don't contour harsh, although I do lay my bronzer kind of where contour would sit. I could still use this for bronzer. I like the soft, diffused bronze look. I've never been a real harsh contour fan. I do like cream contour sticks, but still I put them much higher and then kind of rub them up. I don't like the harsh contour, but maybe you can use this for bronzer. Or maybe even like blush. Yeah, too big for the side of the nose, or maybe even, oh, that'd be really good for highlighter. I like these kind of brushes for highlighter. The fan brush, I feel like I flick it everywhere. All right, and then we got a hand cream by Ahava. It's the Mineral Hand Cream Sea Kiss. I have one of these. I got one of these for Christmas. They're so good. I have it by my bed. This is smaller, so I think this is going to go inside my purse. And there's a safety seal. So actually, I'm not going to open this just so that this can stay nice and fresh for when I need it next. But I put this on every night before bed already. So this I already love. So thank you, Ipsy. And next in the bag, we have something from Seraphine Botanicals. I love their products. I got one of their blushes in Ipsy, and then I went to the site because I loved it so much, and I bought another one. Is it Lychee and Gold, I think is the one I bought. Oh my god, I love it, I love it, I love it. Oh my god, I'm so excited. So this is the Crystal and Chrome Pigmented Crystalline Particles. So that's a very big tub in the color Smoky Quartz. All right, let's open this and see what color it is. I recently have been getting into pigments. They're new to me personally. I mean, I know they're not new, but to me they're new, and I have really been enjoying them quite a bit. So, and I love this brand, so let's hope this is a pretty color. A lot came out with just a couple taps. Do we swatch with our finger? Let's use a makeup brush since they're kind of sitting right here. Make sure there's nothing on there. I'm not sure if you guys have anything like this. I got this at Sephora. It's a color switch. It's a sponge, and you rub it on there, and then if there's any pigment on that brush, it kind of dusts off. So in between uses, it's really helpful instead of having to wash your brush every time you do your makeup. All right, pick some of that up on a brush. Alright, well, it's not swatching very well with just a brush. I mean, there's no primer here. This was very dry, so let's try our finger. I'm always curious to know. I mean, alright, we got a little bit on our finger, and I'm sorry, I always flick you guys off when I do these. Oh, wow. Alright, let's see if we can build that up. It did swatch the first time, a little patchy on the center, but that just could be because I'm picking it up on the finger. Yeah, it builds up beautifully. Oh, this is very, very pretty. It is the color Smoky Quartz, and I really, really like it, especially the finger swatch that was built up twice. This is so pretty. I do not have anything in my collection like this. I honestly don't think I have much, even as a pressed shadow in this. It's very rosy pink, but it's also peachy, and it's got almost like a gold shift to it that just, you guys, I'm really excited about this. I really, really am excited, and it really does go along with the eyeliner that they had sent over. So that's what I got in my Ipsy this month. I got a Luxie brush. I got a cool toned brown eyeliner, which I absolutely love brown liners. I got a shadow pigment. I also got some hand cream, and I got a lip gloss that, you guys, I'm actually really enjoying this. It's very hydrating, and my lips do feel moisturized and plump, and this, I like this. I've never heard of Fluid before, so that's really exciting. I love being introduced into new companies. I also have never heard of this coloring eye pencil, so we'll try this out in another video and see if this is a good eyeliner. You actually get a really decent size amount for a pencil, so a lot of times they're quite a bit shorter. I'm super excited with what Ipsy sent over. They really do such a great job of curating and personalizing my bags. I don't think I've gotten many things that I don't like, because you know, if they do send something and I don't like it, you know, I let them know I really didn't enjoy this product, or I didn't like this type of product or this brand, and I've never had a repeat from them. They don't send it again. That's really exciting. I mean, they used to send me liquid eyeliners, and it's with my crinkles all over my eyelid, I can't use them anymore, and I'm okay with it. And I had told them I don't prefer liquid liners at all, and I haven't got one since. I mean, so they do listen when you review your bags, so that's really, really awesome. Do you guys get Ipsy? Did we get any of the same things? Let me know down in the comments what you guys got. Thanks for hanging out today, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any future videos. Go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up, because Ipsy really does rock. See you in the next video. Bye!